Structured DFT. Scan case study. Scan case study. A logic failure happened at combinational logic cloud which connect to ScanCells 8. The failing data will be captured inside ScanCells 8. During test, scan mode is enabled and the data is shifted out through scan chain in example shown above. Scan chain consists of 12 ScanCells flip-flop. The step of analysis. Failure analysis engineer will map back the failure data into the circuits to determine which logic is failing and pinpoint the failure location on layout. Physical FA engineer will observe the failing transistor using transmission electron microscope (TEM). This will help to understand type of defect occurred on transistor and determine how to fix the failure. The advantage of analysis. First increases the controllability. Then increases the observability. And finally increases the fault coverage. Controllability. Controllability of an internal node is the ability to set it to a specific logic value. Important to test engineer whereby they will be able to set test vector at inputs pins so that all combinational logic can be exercised to capture the failing data. Observability. Observability of an internal node's ability to observe its specific logic value on primary input. Failing data is shifted out to primary input-output (I/O) pins. Failure analysis engineer able to determine which logic failure location on layout by mapping test data into the schematic. The bigger the design block, more ScanCells is required to observe the internal logic failure. Usually scan chains number also will increase. Fault coverage. Refer to percentage of certain fault can be detected during test. High fault coverage is valuable during manufacturing test.
Created using Powtoon.